Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Tomorrow I'm actually doing something really fun, which you should have seen by the title. I'm pretty sure I'm going to title it something, but yeah, it's really exciting. So tomorrow I am going into London, but like a little bit above London, to go and like visit a puppy that we are most probably going to be getting. We're not allowed to get it tomorrow. We have to wait until they're like 12 weeks old. So that should be in about a month. Like, it's so exciting. We've looked at so many rescue dogs, but there's just been none that are suited for us, and none that are actually available. But yeah, that's basically what's going to be happening on this vlog. I really hope that you're going to enjoy this video.
So it's now the morning and it's actually a really nice day. Like, it's actually blue skies, so today should actually be quite good. We're just gonna get a drink. You know, I just had to stop at a petrol station because I'm kind of lost, so kind of fun. But yeah. Hey guys, so it's now Saturday. We're actually picking the dog up today, which is so exciting. Honestly, I cannot wait. I'm gonna get ready. It's currently like 7 o'clock right now, and we're gonna 8 to get there for about 11:30, and then we can pick up the dog at 12. Yeah, I'm hoping that we're gonna get McDonald's on the way. Chances are probably not, because I said that last time and that never happened, which is like depressing. Hey guys, so I'm all home now, and I'm gonna end this video here just because I feel like there's not much else to really say. Now I've got the dog currently sleeping downstairs. Yeah, he's really cute, and I'm very excited to see how things go. Some of you probably wonder what name we're gonna call it. We are gonna call it Rex. I'm happy about that, and also I quite like Rex because it's got 3 letters in, and my last 2 dogs have had 3 letters and names in, so it's like doing the pattern. But yeah, that is the end of this video. I really hope you did enjoy it, and I hope that you will see more of my new puppy in some upcoming videos. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Comment down below any video ideas you want to see from me, and I'll see you guys in my next video.